When someone speaks a language, we often translate it into our native language to understand. From today onwards, try to stop doing this. When you listen to English, focus on understanding it directly without converting it into your mother tongue. When we listen to anything, we listen only for the meaning. We don't listen for the language itself. For example, when I speak to you, you focus on the points I'm making. Like why English is important or how to improve listening skills. You understand the meaning, but meaning is not the key to improvement. For improvement, language is what matters. When you listen for the first time, only the meaning becomes clear. Therefore, practice listening to the same passage multiple times, again and again. Choose a speech or any passage in English, and listen to it repeatedly until it becomes a part of your memory. Our brains are like supercomputers with limitless storage capacity. In that endless space, you can create English files. For example, make one called English Listening. Listen every day and store what you hear in your mind. Today, technology makes this easier. Record anything you hear in English that is worth learning. Many of you have mobile phones. Use them to record. Listen to the recording 10 or 20 times. Some of my students record lectures and listen multiple times before exams. This approach helps them learn effectively. Similarly, you can record English songs, speeches, or podcasts. Learning a language is often about imitation. Pay attention to good English when you hear it, and repeat it. Like a child mimics what they hear, we can do the same. Children imitate sounds and tones naturally. We need to adopt the same mindset as learners. There are 2 keys to effective listening. Number 1, listening to correct, good quality English. Number 2, listening repeatedly to the same passage until it becomes second nature. Make listening a daily habit. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference, but those 5 minutes must be practiced consistently. When you do this, the foundation for your English communication skills will strengthen. Reading is another foundational skill. All of us have learned the alphabet, so we know the basics of reading English. But the problem is we often don't practice reading consistently. Read everything you come across, signs, posters, books, but don't just read it once. Read it repeatedly. For example, reading something like The Life of Swami Vivekananda can improve your vocabulary. It's written in a way that can help you prepare for exams like GRE or GMAT. However, reading for meaning is not enough. Read to understand how sentences are formed and how language is used. Repetition is key. Read one page 10 times. First, focus on meaning, and in subsequent readings, focus on the language. Good language usage matters because simple mistakes in English can hold you back. Indians are known for their intelligence, but we often lack consistency in practice. This habit needs to change. If you want to enhance your English, you must commit to regular listening and reading practice. Dedicate time daily, and over time, you will see tangible progress. English is just another skill, one that you are fully capable of mastering. Whether it's English or your native language, make it a point to learn it thoroughly. Show your true potential by committing to improvement through consistent practice. Thanks for watching video.